Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wells Fargo Online access with SafeKey, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing Wells Fargo Online access with SafeKey, open your web browser. Visit the Wells Fargo official website and click on the Log On button. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you are using Wells Fargo for the first time, you may need to complete the enrollment process. Follow the prompts to create your online account if necessary. Once logged in, look for the Account Services tab in the main menu. Click on Account Services to access various security options. Locate the SafeKey section and click on it. Read the information about SafeKey to understand its purpose and benefits. Click on the Enroll in SafeKey button to initiate the setup. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a one-time code. Choose your preferred method for receiving the code, such as text message or email. Check your phone or email for the verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on the Wells Fargo website. Once the code is accepted, you will proceed to the SafeKey setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the SafeKey authorization. Review and confirm your SafeKey settings. After completing the setup, return to your account dashboard. You will now have enhanced security for your online banking with SafeKey. If you face any issues during the process, visit the Wells Fargo Help Center for assistance. Congratulations, you are now authorized for Wells Fargo Online access with SafeKey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.